Okay, in the second step of the video, we will show you how to deploy your app builder, and we will deploy it to Firebase. You can deploy it to any website hosting, and it doesn't have to have PHP or ASP.NET support, so just a regular hosting will be okay. It can also be uploaded, as I said, on Firebase, and as you can see in Firebase there is a hosting part which you can upload any HTML and JavaScript file. So let's get started. We right now have the app builder running locally, and we will stop that by running Command C. I will clear it, and what we'll need to do is run npm run build. This will create a build folder here. You see this one was created, and we'll transform all the JavaScript code into a single JavaScript file that will run as a single page, and you don't need Node support on your server. While this is running, while this is making the bundle, we will go over how to create the hosting, to get started with the hosting. So what we'll need to do is install the Firebase tools, and I can do it here in another tab, or I can do it here. I already did it. So npm install globally Firebase tools, and this will update my Firebase tools. And after that I will need to do a Firebase login, which I already have done it. So it will ask you for your Firebase Google username and password. Okay, so our build is done. As you can see, it has the static files. This is the main one. This is what's the most important, and it's a really big file. And as you can see, now we need to update. And we need to upload on Firebase. So the next thing will be to install the Firebase tool, which we are doing right now. That's been done, and I will continue on the Visual Studio Code Firebase login. I should be already logged in, correct? And I need to do a Firebase init. Firebase init. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to use hosting. Hosting, correct, and I need to click on the space on your keyboard. Hosting, and click enter. Okay. Okay, I need to select the project where I want to install this React script. So I will use React Builder app. Okay. What do you want to use? A public folder. Really, this is really important. Do not use public, since public is the folder where our source code is put in part of our source code. So instead of public, you need to enter build. I will do that. Configure as a single page app. Correct. This is a single page application, and all the files go to build index HTML. Overwrite, no, we already have done it. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so what this step was doing is it created a Firebase configuration and a Firebase circ folder, and it was required in order to use Firebase deploy. So as soon as I run Firebase deploy, it will start deploying the app builder to Firebase, and it should be really fast, and it will give us a link to our online app builder. Remember that we already have all the database setup done before, so all the database rules and data that is needed is there. Although we didn't have to do this, if you visit the app builder from the remote link, it will also do the same. So it's almost 100. Let's wait and see. And this will create another element here in the hosting. Right now it's not there, but will be. Marriott Builder. %. Probably is uploading the main file, which is big. And also because I'm doing another video upload, so that's why it goes slow, but it's been done. And the hosting URL, this one. The project console is this one, so I will open the project link just to see how it looks there. So on the hosting we have deployed hosting, then you will see different analytics where it's running, so I can open from here and we'll ask for username and password. And before you know that, we create a username admin@mobidonia.com and password, so we'll use the same username and same password. admin @mobidonia.com and password, and we should be able to log in. Correct. Great. We did the second step, and that's deploy your app builder. And now our app builder is running on Firebase app, and here really easily you can connect to your own domain. So it could be something like myappbuilder.com. Thanks for watching. We will continue with the next video, and that's how to make mobile apps in the builder.